So only 30% of the aspirants are they want to admit, and therefore in this way we can find out the threshold limit using the normal distribution. Normal distribution is applied in farms also. Normal distribution can be applied in farms also. For example, a farmer grows potatoes. Farmer grows potatoes. And suppose he fills these potatoes in different bags. The bag is designed to carry on an average 25 kilos of potatoes. But he fills the bags with potatoes without weighing. Actually, he doesn't weigh. And standard deviation is suppose 0.6 kilos. There is a variation of standard deviation is 0.6 kilos. Using this, he can determine how many bags will be underweight, what percentage of bags will be underweight, what percentage of bags will be overweight, etc. We can determine using the normal distribution. Okay. So, normal distribution, this way I have tried to explain through some examples. One example is also for practice. Example number 4. Example number 5. This also similar type of example. Aditi's example, just we saw example 4. Similar type of example is there. Okay. And next is this is a property of standard normal or normal distribution. You can see, as I told you, mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma, 99.73% area is there. And several other applications we can see next time. That is during the next lecture. Other applications we can see. Why normal distribution is regarded very important? Because of its suitability in a variety of real life situations. Normal distribution is highly applicable across many areas. And the second thing is many discrete distributions, many continuous distributions, just like chi-square t, continuous distributions like chi-square t, discrete distributions like binomial Poisson, etc. They all tend to normal under certain conditions. So binomial distribution, we will see in the next lecture that binomial distribution is very difficult to use under certain conditions, and then we have to go make use of normal approximation. And how normal approximation is closer to the binomial situation, we can see during the next lectures. So all the applications, it is normal distribution is regarded is the most prominent distribution because of its applicability. Okay, and next slide please.
મિત્રો આ સેશન તમને ખૂબ જ ઉપયોગી એ સંદર્ભમાં નીવડ્યો છે, કારણ કે નોર્મલ ડિસ્ટ્રિબ્યુશનની ખૂબ જ સારી સમજ, ખૂબ જ સુંદરતાપૂર્વકની સમજ, ખૂબ જ ઉદાહરણો સાથેની સમજ કદાચ તમારા અભ્યાસ માટે ખૂબ ઉપયોગી નીવડશે એવી શુભેચ્છા. અને આવતા લેક્ચરમાં આપણે ફરીવાર અંકિતભાઈ સાથે મળશું અને એમની પાસેથી કેટલીક નોર્મલ ડિસ્ટ્રિબ્યુશન વિશેની વધારે માહિતી આપણે આવતા લેક્ચર